how do we measure the effectiveness of exploratory testing, or for that matter, exploratory testers, people who are start as exploratory testers? How do we measure their effectiveness?
See, one thing again, something which I'm going to say is to create controversy again, because a lot of the gurus believe that exploratory testing cannot be documented, should not be measured, all that stuff. Point is, if I cannot document something, if I cannot measure something, then it's basically a illusion which I'm selling to someone, right? I can say I'm an exploratory tester and I'm just twiddling thumbs in front of my screen all day long. I'm exploring the app, but I'm not doing anything at all. That's a good job to have, correct? The point is, exploratory testing is true. You cannot identify and document ahead of time what scenario that you're going to test from exploratory testing. I completely agree with that part. But once you have executed few scenarios, once you have identified defects because of exploratory testing, what is stopping you back to go back and document those test cases or those scenarios which you have executed, which are not part of a test suite as exploratory test scenarios, and include them in your test suite, so that next time they become a part of documented and you can explore something new. So that is what I asked my team to measure. How many new scenarios you were able to add in that phase of exploratory testing, and how many defects were you able to identify from exploratory testing and converted them to test cases. Because you cannot say every time that I'm going to do exploratory testing and 80% of my time I do exploratory testing, but I don't have any proof to show you that I've done exploratory testing.